guys, back with another video. We're going to be playing Knockout Air Raid today, the new LTM. Let's check it out, boys. Let me check if I'm screen recording. Good. Yeah. So it looks like this is pretty fun. So, yeah. Sorry. Oh, what just happened there? It was just like all glitchy. Well, my teammates look like bots, so that's good, I guess. Hopefully, okay, never mind. Ooh, I kind of like this. Wow. Oh, it's switching in mid. Oh, I feel so clean. Oh, it's low gravity too. That's why I was able to go so high. I feel like they're trying so many new LTMs. Only some of them are good though. Like Brax to Riches was good, and now this one is like kind of kiddish, which I don't really like. Okay, guys, we're getting it. I love that skin on the SMDGIFIE or whatever that is. This skin looks dope. We got Aquaman. We got myself, Maya. We got Fade. Two defaults here too. And we have Aquaman, this guy, and Maya Fade. Those are. It seems like a pretty fair battle. Okay, sorry for the delay, guys. Now we're here. Oh my god, the gliding thing. Oh. I feel like this guy's played it at least 2 times. That guy over here. Sorry, guys. Okay, we got the first limb. So, alright, I'll see. So, yeah. Okay. Oh, let's see what we have here. Sorry, guys. I don't know why I'm being such a butt. Sorry, guys. My earphones got unplugged. Sorry. We can reload while you're in midair. That's so, like, not fair at the same time, though. Oh, tag 20. He thinks he's good at the game, but he's not really. Oh, one shot. Got it. They're actually garbage, though. That's the problem. Like, we're so good, you might as well just give up. When I said it's a fair fight, I think I was joking to myself, bro. Come here, man. Come here, man. You literally just got double team. That's what I call double team. Oh, can you hit while they're gliding? That'd be so OP. And this guy's a literal bot. You guys are such bots, dude. How can you be that much of a bot and still be playing this game? Has Epic not banned you yet? How's that okay, you cannot tell me that, baby. Don't die to Storm. You're so cheeky. You're not winning. Either way, so what's the point? Come on, get another kill, I dare you guys. I dare you to get one more goddamn kill. Get comboed. Absolutely combo on it. Then. How do you get a charged shotgun in this game, bro? Okay, we won. Just stop. No point trying, boys. My aim. Hey man. Nice. Alright. Get tagged, get tagged, get tagged. There's no point, boy. There's no point. You're winning. Either way. This guy's like trying his. Stop, dude. So annoying. So annoying. I literally have more kills than all of you combined on this game. Stop spamming me one. And you're garbage. I literally have 20 more kills. What do you guys think? Oh, it's so sweaty. Ninja and 2 Harley Quinns. I guess what Ninja is doing. You can do that. Okay. We have a. Can you guys just like ready up, please? Why does it take so long? And this is when everyone leaves. Like, I already know it. Telling me there's 3 more rounds. Alright, alright. Not gonna help you. You're not good at the game. Please stop trying because I can't stop exposing you. Ooh, look what I got. Okay, you guys are dead now. I'm sorry, but you guys can meet me in the afterlife. Hey, hey! No, how dare you? How dare you? I'm actually carrying the team right now, boys. My plays are so good in this game mode. Oh my god, such a bot, dude. How can you be that much of a bot, tell me? I don't even need a sniper. Give me one good reason why we need a sniper. Charge shotgun is what I'm looking for right now. Another SMG, perfectly fine. I love SMGs. Right? What, did you guys just give up? How can you possibly give up that much? Where from? Stop, just come out. You're not cool. If you think you're hiding is cool, you're gonna lose. Where are you? I can't even find them. This is so OP, guys. I really like this game mode, but like, I hate how these kids are hiding so much. Did they all just leave? They can't. They couldn't have. Right. Oh, you guys are gonna die. And they're gonna get 2 more, and they're gonna just kill one of us, and then they're gonna win. I don't think you guys thought about that, did you? How can you possibly be hiding so much? This guy just gave up. Okay. That's cool. Um, 18. Oh wait, they got 2 more kills. How? All we have to do is get 1 kill right now. We know that they're not here. Okay, boys, that's gonna be it. Finish the episode on their second channel, Tabs. Go watch semifinals and finals on that channel.